To expand the expression, each factor inside the logarithm will get its own term. So I've got a 5x cubed y and the cube root of z. Okay, 4 different factors here. The ones from the numerator get positive logarithms. So I've got a log base 2 of 5. It's a positive in front of that. And then I've got here another x. That's in the numerator. So I'm going to have a plus a log base 2 of x. The exponent of 3, we know the exponents can come out in front. Okay, so I'm actually just going to go ahead and write that out in front. And then I've got a y up there in the numerator as well. So another plus log base 2 of y. No exponent on that, so I don't need to worry about putting anything in front. The denominator here is going to give me negative logarithms. Okay, so I'm going to have a minus log base 2. I've got this cube root of z, and the important thing here is to recognize that a cube root is the same thing as an exponent of 1/3. Okay, so what I have right now is z to the 1/3, but again, that exponent can come out in front. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. 1/3. So this is my expanded expression for this logarithm. Let's do part B. Here we've got a natural log, but that's just log base e. The rules are the same. And I've got this square root. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this before expanding. A square root is an exponent of 1/2. So what I've got here, I've got x y cubed, and then that is being raised to the 1/2. And the reason I wanted to write this out first is because that 1/2 needs to apply to both of these factors. And so I'm going to write that out first, and then we'll expand. So we've got x to the 1/2, and then y to the 3 times 1/2, which is 3/2. And then over z squared comes w. So now I can go ahead and write out my expanded form. Factors from the numerator get positive logarithms. So I have a natural log of x to the 1/2. The exponent comes out in front, so 1/2 log of x. And then plus, because I've got another term in the numerator here, I've got a natural log of y. The exponent of 3/2 comes out in front. The factors from the denominator get negative logarithms. So I have minus a natural log of z squared, but the exponent comes out in front. And then minus natural log of w. And there's no exponent on that to deal with. For part C, I have here a log. Now this is a common log, no base is stated, so it's log base 10. And I've got this x plus 2 over 15 squared. So that exponent is applying to both the numerator and the denominator. So I'm going to go ahead and write that out first. So this is an x plus 2 squared, and then over 15 squared. And that just helps me now to expand it. My numerator, I just have the one factor, the x plus 2. And so that just gives me the one term of log of x plus 2. The squared can come out in front. Exponents can come out in front. And then my denominator has this factor of 15. So we can subtract that because it's from the denominator. And I've got a log of 15. Again, the squared can come out in front.